Yo guys, this is HumbleFx, and in this video I am showing you guys how we're able to get this entry and how we're able to make this particular profit, and we are going for the TP right about here. We're going for 170 pips profit, take profit on this second entry. So we might not hold to the TP. It depends on how the market show us that will determine if we hold to the down to the TP. Alright, so I'll be explaining on details how we take this trade and why we are holding the trade up to this point. Alright, so let us get started. And remember that this trade is sent to the Allied group already. This is already sent to the Allied group. If you look at here, you see that we already sent the trade right here to the Allied group. This is the sell setup here, and this is the progress when we send the trade here as the progress right about here. So right now you see we actually gone beyond. So you can join this Allied, you can join the Allied group, so you'll be getting our daily updates like this every single time. All right, to join the Allied group is not expensive. Right now it's just $15 per month. All right, and then I'm giving out a extra 1 month as a discount for those that will join right now. All right, now let's get started to the video. Oh, look at that, look at that, that's crazy, man. That's a crazy spike right there. All right, now like, why did we take the trade and why are we still holding the market? Look at that, that's crazy, massive. That's massive loss. Spike, that's crazy. Well, we're still gonna hold the market and let us see if we get what we want to get in this particular trade. All right, so now let us get started and let us see what is happening right here. Now the first entry I took, uh the first entry I took right here was at the top of this, right here. That was the first entry because the market pushed up right about there, and then I look at the high at that point, which is this high here. So the market has not broken out of it yet, so I had to take entry right there, which is the first entry. We see these first two entries we took right about here. All right, you see that this is the entry was at 20 21 178. That was the first entry that we took right about there. So if you check it on the chart here, you see that the entry is at about 21 178, 21 178. So this that was the first entry. Sniper, I saw the market spike to that point, so I jumped into the market right about there. And because we take the trade and we close, because you know this market is currently not selling, it's not totally a downtrend. It's actually an somehow uptrend market. So we close around here, and then I entered a little low size, aiming for a break of this uh, small low for us to enter the other four entries. And once that was broken, then we jumped into this other four entries right there. All right, I was supposed to close this trade around here, but because it broke here now, I was holding, not knowing that the spike is still coming for me. All right, I was expecting it as far as it has broken out of that level, it should come down to this TP, at least to the first line, which is this, to this place at least. But look at what happened there. The market just spiked. That's why in this industry you have to be trading smart, because you don't know what happens next. Even though your setup has proven that it will go as you planned, but the next minute can be a different story, like we just saw here right now, because there's a break already. It has already take out this low here, so I was expecting it to go down to at least this point or this point, because of this free margin here. This is a free range that should be covered, but look at what happened right about there. So look at overall trend is actually going up, because I'm expecting the market to actually break this place here and get to this point for us to have a very safe sell entry. All right, but that is going to be a very long time. It can either have over 100 pips for that to happen. So but let us just see what happens in this particular one we are holding. Let's see how this one we are holding will play out for us. All right, if it's not playing out well, we are going to exit the market and get out of the market. All right, so me, if the price should go up again to this point here, I have to exit the market in loss and wait for the market to come back to this particular point for us to now take our our nice entry. All right, so this is it. Let me show you guys 4 hour time frame so you see what I'm seeing very clearly. Now look at that. Now we have this level here, which is where we are using to take this trade right now. We have another level here, which price, let me do that clearly. This level here, sorry, where is that? What is that? So we have this levels, this level here, where price might come and take out for us to have the market come to this psychological level of 2,300 for us to have our safe sale. All right, but let us just wait and see what's happening. Remember that this account is account management, is someone's account, not my own account, is account management service. All right, so and we are going on that. Actually, I was already done in this account, because the target on this account today was to get the account from to $14 or $50. If you saw clearly here, we had $something running, and we have $13 here, so we are literally done today. But I wanted to hold to the TP, so I will make more. But look at what happened. The spike happened on us. So we're hoping that the market does not mess up our plans today, though. So let us watch out and see what happens next. All right, you can join us. You can join account management services if you are interested to join account management services. The least equity to join is $100. All right, you can come in with 200, 500, 1,000, 10,000, and so on, based on what you can afford. All right, but then if you cannot afford the least equity of $100, you can actually come in with equity of $50, and we can still work with that. All right, we can still work with that. All right, and that offer is not for many slots, just for a few persons on that slot. All right, so you can come in now, check on the video description. You will see a link to my Telegram or WhatsApp, and then you can get in. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment on the comment section. That is very, very important. It is very, very important. All right, guys, let us see what happens. Yeah, guys, welcome back. So this is where we are right now. All right, this is the first TP. You see that I told you guys our first TP is this line here, and we have hit that first TP. So I can decide to close right now, and it is nice if I should close right now, because actually we are getting our targets. We are getting even beyond targets right now. If I should close the trade right here, we have a total of $100 already in today, and that's amazing. That is beyond the target. That is already double of the target of today. I'm holding because I saw this entry and I want to hold it. I want to complete it. I want to hold it till the final TP. Right. So this is it already. It's forming these things for us right there. See that? So, and this is a live trade showing you guys these things. I already told you why we take the trade and why we are holding, and this is where we are going to be holding it to the final TP, which is the last one. We need about 10 more 5 more pips to hit our targets, or less than 10 pips rather. I think less than 10 pips, about 7 pips to hit our targets. All right, so guys, this is how we do it every single time. And remember, these things are posted. It's posted on the Telegram channel. The LI group is already posted on the LI group already, so you can join the LI group so that we're getting our trades like this every single time. Or you can also join the account management services, so you can also be experiencing this kind of trade on your own account. All right, so let us get started and all that. All right, guys, if you are impressed in this video, don't forget to give me a subscribe on the channel, like the video and then turn on the bell notification so that once I drop a new video, you will be first on to know about the video. All right, don't miss out of our next video. It is very, very important, right? It is very, very important. The target has been hit, even beyond target has been hit, but we are still expecting the next 5 pips to take all the profit out and all that. So let's see if we can get to the next 5 pips successfully or not. So guys, we are in progress. All right, so yeah, we are still in progress, guys. We are still in progress, and our final TP is going to be hitting in the next 2 pips, guys. In the next 2 minutes, in less than next 2 minutes, we are going to be hitting our last TP for today, and I think that's cool. That is really cool for us. We don't want to go against that. I should even close right now because these 2 minutes can be a massive mess up. And you know how 1000 does? It can spike greatly high. It can spike all this profit. It can spike all this profit out in seconds, guys. So this is actually a very risky one. Me trying to go to the TP because already I'm done. I just needed the TP now. Is just about less than $2, guys. So am I risking this for $70 for $2? Or should I close this market right now, or should I hold this market to the TP so that we don't close out of fear of spike? All right, so because actually spikes can be coming right here, it can be coming anytime soon. All right, even though the market can also hit the psychological level of 21,050, that's also another TP. That's actually 10 pips after the TP has hit, but we don't want to go that length. If I should go that length, I should be with a smaller size, not to risk all this profit because of that. Right, so guys, in the next 1 minute our trade should be closing by itself, and that's massive, guys. In the next 1 minute our trade should be closing by itself, taking our profit, and that's great, guys. This is how we do it right here. So guys, I said it, guys. Damn, that's crazy, man. I used $1 to risk my $30, guys. Look at that. This is crazy. I will be exiting the market right here because, guys, I don't want to hold this market. All right, guys, see you in the next video. I should be exiting the market. I will update you guys if I head the market to the TP I wanted, or if I exited it. I will tell you guys at the end of the video. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Until then, I remain HumbleFx. You see that this is how when you see your TP, you can close the market. Because this thing happens. Look at that. Just look at that. Just less than $1, guys. Less than $1, and then boom. Look at that. This is crazy. This is massively crazy, man. I didn't expect this to happen, but it happened already. So do I have a choice? Of course not. So I will be going to come back later. Let us see if anything happened positively to us. All right, guys, enjoy and trade smart. All right, don't do this thing at home. If you see your TP close, you exit the market and go, because you see what happened right now. I used $1 to risk all my $30 because of trying to hit TP, and that's crazy. That's not what we do here. Enjoy, guys.